Everybody, thank you for clicking on our video today. I'm Donna Hetland. I am the Regional Industrial Hygiene Lead at OECS. Um, let's talk about industrial hygiene today. Somebody asked me a question the other day, if you could name just a couple of the top air contaminants that you see at your clients when you visit, what would those be? I had to answer like this. If any of my clients, because of their process, because of their industry, if they have dust accumulation or if they see haze or anything like that in the air, that is kind of would clue you in on it being an air contaminant. Now, if you can go around your facility and take what we call the white glove test, if you see that you've got an accumulation of any of those particulates, that is an air contaminant. Now, sometimes you have to think outside the box. It's not just as simple as dust, like what happens when somebody drives down the gravel road. You have to think about your processes, your operations. So for example, if you are a welding shop, there's dust that comes off of those processes. So welding fumes and dust would be one of the air contaminants that I would talk about. But again, thinking outside the box, it could be things like wood dust or vinyl dust or silica even. And we know that silica is even worse than just regular old dust. So if you have those kinds of air contaminants at your company, that is something that we would want to take a deeper look at. Another type of an air contaminant that I see at a lot of my clients would be things like paint, solvents, glues, adhesives, things like that. If you've got any of that as a part of your operation, whether it's wet paint or it's powder coat paint, those are things that you should have air sampled. What you're trying to do with an air sample is to determine get the data to determine what kind of exposure you might have just because you have things floating in your air. So that's how I would answer that. If you've got dust or you've got any kind of vapors or fumes coming from any of your processes, those are things that should be looked at. If this video has spurred more questions for you, please feel free to reach out to me, Donna at oecscomply.com, or you can reach out to your OECS representative as well, and we can help you start the process to do some kind of an assessment. Thank you.